y'all, it's Kitty. So it's like 11 p.m. right now. I literally have been barefaced all day and I just wanted to do my makeup because I'm really in the mood to film. I'm gonna do an empties and things I've decluttered video. I'm not gonna do a declutter video the way a lot of people do declutter videos because that's just not how I declutter things. I am a personal decluttering assistant. That is something I do professionally. And so when I see something that I don't want, I just take it out of my collection then and there. I can't just leave it in my collection. I'm like, I don't want this here. Why am I keeping it here? And my brain is just always like, do I want this? Is this something that I want? That's just always running in the back of my mind. So I'm going to start with the things that I've decluttered. And then we'll move on to makeup and beauty products. Then we'll move on to hair and skin and blah, blah, blah. So we're going to start with, this is a ColourPop Luxe lipstick in What If. I really like this color. I don't know how this lighting is going to be. I really liked this color, but I found out that I had a dupe for it. What did I decide was a dupe for it? I decided that ColourPop's I Heart This Lippy Sticks was close enough in color, and it's a little bit lighter, and I like that a little bit better, both in formula and in color. So I decided to keep that and get rid of this. I also decided to get rid of my Kat Von D, my only Kat Von D product. I'm not a fan of Kat Von D. I know most of my friends and family who watch this won't know all the drama there. Turns out she's anti-vax and she's anti-Semitic. There's a whole lot of stuff going on there. I got this well before any of that happened or any of that came out. I don't know what color this is. The sticker that said the name fell off a long time ago. I used to really like this, but I'm not a huge fan of the particular shade or the formula anymore. I love this kind of shade, this like berry tone, but this particular tone just is not quite right for me, and it's very drying. I got rid of my e.l.f. matte lip color in Rich Red. I somehow managed to have 3 of these at one point. I don't know how that happened. I think I bought 2 of them, but I don't know where the 3rd one came from. I really enjoy this formula and this color, but I have a lot of, I had a lot of red lipsticks, and I've been trying to pare it down, and this is just not one of my favorites. So I like it, it's a good formula, it's a good color, but it's just not a favorite, and I want my collection to be things that I love, and it's not. I got rid of my Too Faced Melted Matte in Queen Bee. I'm disappointed I didn't wear this more. It kind of made me look a little bit dead, but I quite liked the formula. I went to put it on the other day. It smelled rancid. It smelled bad. So I'm not going to be putting this on my lips anymore. I've heard that, I've heard a few people bought the full size of this color and it was not the same formula. I've never tried any other colors or any full sizes of this formula, but I did quite like this one when I got it. It was, I got it as a freebie when I bought the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. And then I am getting rid of 2 of the Wet n Wild gel lip liners. I'm getting rid of Plum Together and Read the Scene. Plum Together and Read the Scene. They're both nice. I like the formula, but I don't use lip liners. I don't care. I don't use lip liners. I still have one, but it's a color that I don't have in any other lipstick. And I have these colors, but I don't use lip liners, so I don't care. So those are all the declutters that I can see in the top of my box. So let's move on. Oh, I decluttered, I got a sample of Becca Evermatte Poreless Primer, and I never freaking used it, and I'm pretty sure it went bad. So like I didn't buy it or anything, but still a waste. I decluttered 2 of these skin sticks. I was an MLM consultant for Perfectly Posh for a little while. There's a bunch of Posh products in this box here that I have. This one's Sleepy Sleep. It just smells like lavender. It's basically like lavender in shea butter and beeswax. The lavender scent doesn't stick around for a long time, and then you just have like shea butter and beeswax wherever you rubbed it, and it's not super strong smelling, so I can't like rub it on my chest and smell it. I have to rub it like right under my nose or something. It's not great. I tried it. I thought I loved it for a while, but I've been lying to myself. And then I got rid of this Perk skin stick, which is essentially the same thing. I've put a sticker with my name on it over the freaking ingredients, but it's basically the same thing, but it's peppermint. I got rid of this Essence Lash Princess mascara, the False Lash Effect, the green tube, because it was old, and pretty sure my current mascara is old. I need to get rid of that too. I did quite like it though. This was a good mascara. I used up an entire bottle of setting spray. Oh my god, it only took me like 2, 3, 4 years. I don't know. I've had this for freaking forever. Supposedly I think it was brand new when I got it. It says new right here. This is the Makeup Revolution London Pro Fix Oil Control Setting Spray. I always forget to use setting spray. I only ever really use it when I powder my face on top of foundation, and I hardly ever use foundation. So I mostly use these to foil shadows, but really I prefer to put on shadows I put on a glitter glue and then I put them on with my fingers. So I hardly ever use setting spray. I have 3 more in my drawers I'm trying to go through. It's a thing. But I used one up. There's nothing in here. It's fantastic. This one worked well enough. The sprayer was nice. Like I don't use enough different setting sprays to have any opinion, and I never used it often enough to know if it did or didn't do anything. So no opinion, but I used it. I used up a Pacifica Kale Water Micellar Cleansing Tonic. I really like these, but they're expensive for like drugstore stuff. I've been using the NYX micellar water for a while now, and it works just as well. It doesn't smell quite as good. This one smells a little bit better, but that one's cheaper by a significant amount. I used up a perfume. This is Jarrell Parker Femina. It says 8.8 milliliters. I think I got this in my BoxyCharm when I used to get BoxyCharm. So that would have been like 5 years ago, maybe. It was freaking forever ago. It was maybe even 6 years ago. This was old. It was definitely starting to smell more like alcohol than perfume, but whatever. I had to reapply it every 20 minutes, but I had it and I wanted to freaking use it up because this took freaking forever to use up. Oh my god. It was a struggle. But I had committed to it. And that's not something I'll normally do. Normally I'm just like, oh, I don't want it, I'll get rid of it. But I had committed to this one, so I used it up, and I'm proud of myself. Please be proud of me. This is John Varvatos. I don't know. Eau de toilette. It's just a mini itty bitty thing. That also took forever to use. Maybe I just don't use much perfume. I mean, I very rarely use perfume. I also have a little tiny bottle of a Pixie Glow Tonic. I don't know if this did anything. I feel like I want to add toner to my skincare routine, but like I don't really know what it does. If anyone knows what toner does, can y'all explain that to me down below? That'd be fantastic. I would love that. Can y'all hear me? Am I talking loud enough? I don't know. Okay, here was some cotton pads. Here are some hotel samples that I've had for much longer than I'm willing to admit, and whatever amount of time you're thinking, you should probably double it. 3 of them are Bath and Body Works Orange Ginger because I love that scent. I have shampoo, body wash, and lotion. And then one of them is Disney Resorts H2O Grapefruit Bergamot Shower Gel. I have a full size of this of the orange ginger in a body wash and a mini in a lotion and a hand soap. I love this scent. So like why am I hoarding these? And this one's just like a similar scent. So why was I hoarding these? I have so many. I help people declutter stuff for a living and I hoard stuff. It's a problem, guys. We all do it. Oh, I have this is a sample packet of the Belief, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. Guys, you can get so many days of use out of this. I plan on like cleaning these out, so whenever I get one of these things, I can put it in here because I got like a week's worth of use out of this. I have an acquaintance who's does Rodan and Fields, and they gave me a lip renewing serum and a night renewing serum. I tried them. I have no opinion. I don't know what serums do. I'm not a skincare expert. They felt nice. Perfectly Posh. This is Love the Dark. Mine looks janky because it had salt in it and it was in the shower for like well over a year. So this was black and it rinsed into the shower black. It was kind of gross. It smelled like hotel by the ocean. I don't know what that means, but that is the best way I could describe it. It says sea salt, honey, and charcoal scrub with a fresh sea breeze scent, but it also gave me like a definitive hotel vibe. I used up a whole freaking body butter. Look at this thing. It's empty. I used up a whole tub of body butter. I'm so proud of myself. This is Snuggle Buddy. This is by Perfectly Posh. The Love the Dark was also by Perfectly Posh. Like I said, Perfectly Posh consultant. It's the past. I really liked this because it was a really light scent. The fact that it was a really light scent was nice because it didn't clash with anything else I put on. So if I used a shampoo or conditioner that had a stronger scent, or if I used a different, like a hand lotion that had a stronger scent, or if I wanted to put on a perfume that day, none of them clashed with this. Whereas a lot of other body lotions, I feel like that's the only scent I can wear. I used up, this is this is my last Posh product, I swear. This is Blossoms Up. It was a bath bomb. It was a very orange, sophisticated and bright Sicilian orange was the scent. I really enjoyed the scent of this. I have 5 more of these. Guys, who am I? Who did I think I was? I have 5 more of these. It was white. It was just white. I was like, guys, after having Lush bath bombs, this is just boring. It was at least as expensive as a Lush bath bomb, if not more. So, like, it smelled good, but it was boring. And if I'm gonna pay for a bath bomb, I want the smell and the colors and the fun. Like, you feel me? You feel me? I hope you feel me. Then I have some hair stuff. I used up a conditioner. This is OGX 2 Restoring and Bonding Plex Conditioner. I liked it well enough. I used this up a while ago, so I don't remember what I thought of this. Sulfate free. And then I redid my hair recently enough that all this stuff is in here. This is basically like since January or February. This is a while of empties because I don't go through stuff much. I have 2 boxes from hair dye. I use the Ion Color Brilliance because I do my own hair. I like to get 2 different colors. I got Sapphire and Sky Blue. I have 2 packets of powder lightener. This is the kind of, when you bleach your hair, you buy this powder. I'm going to keep it away from my face because this is basically bleach powder. And then you put in toner, which I don't have a bottle of that because I buy like a big bottle. And then my secret weapon with my bleaching my hair is this. It's the Ion Absolute Perfection Booster Step 1. Is it gonna... I get this at Sally's where I get all of my other hair stuff. So you put this in with the bleach. It says that you need to up your developer, which is the liquid that I put in with the powder stuff, by 10. Anyone who bleaches their own hair knows what I'm talking about. Everyone else, this might sound like gibberish to you. I don't know. When I use this, my hair, after I bleach it, does not feel like I just bleached it. It feels soft and silky and nice. If y'all have ever bleached your hair, like straight up just bleached your hair, it is not soft and silky and nice. It might not be like hay, but it is not soft and silky and like it feels like I freaking deep conditioned it. Like right after I bleach my hair. What is that? And then the last product I have in here is the Ion After Color Sealer. I got this last time I did my hair and I really liked it, so I got it again this time, and I felt like it was just like adding wax or something on top of my hair. So it was like, well, we're sealing in the color, but I was like, but are you doing that with the hair, or are you just putting something on the outside? Like, I didn't feel like it was deeply conditioning my hair. I felt like it was just like, we're just gonna put a coat on this, and then the color can't get out because we put a coat on it. I was like, yeah, but then it doesn't feel good. So there's actually like still some product in here. Not a whole lot. But I didn't love it this time. I might give it one last shot next time I do my hair. But I'm not sure. But yes, so that's everything. That's my empties and declutter. I am missing a few things. I decluttered a few things that I didn't remember to throw in here. I emptied a few things that I didn't... for empties, they were mostly like sample packets that I didn't remember to throw in here. But what can you do? It's too late now. What things have you guys emptied lately? What do you think of what I emptied lately? Have you tried any of these products? What do you think? I'd love to have a conversation with you guys down in the comments. Are there any kinds of videos you'd like to see from me? I don't really know what kind of content to make, which is why I haven't made a video in a while. I have some stuff written down. I want to make more videos. I just haven't. Don't forget to comment, like the video, subscribe. All of those things really help me out. It tells YouTube that I am someone that is small, but I am growing and people like me, so making sure to interact with my channel is super helpful. But yeah, I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all later. Bye!